Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World. And yes, people, we are into the Monday grind, but we got an awesome watch face by Tina that we have to check out. And yes, Tina continues to bring new flavor. She continues to bring the noise. And we got to thank her in the door for all the free donations she has been dropping in the Gear Manager store. Tina, thank you. All right, with that being said, let's check out this watch face. The name of it is called Tina Dial 753. I love the look and the design of this watch face. I like the way it stands out so far as the color is concerned. Now, in the AOD mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look, same design as if the watch face was on. But when it's on, I like the way it stands out. You can get away with dressing up super casual with this watch face, but it's a watch face that you can wear whether it be the work week and for the weekend. Now, here's what you get. I like the stylish hands, right? I like the look of the second hand as well. It's smoothly going around the bezel of the watch. It spells premium all day long. I'm really liking the look of the index. Really gives this watch face a premium look. Now, up at the top, you will get your date, the day of the week. Down at the bottom, for those of you all who like 24-hour digital time, you got 24-hour time right down here at the bottom. Animated tourbillon right there, and also you're going to get a moon phase, which looks realistic in person. I'm loving it. And this is going to be your battery percentage. Now, this is what I figured out. It tells you battery, so when it's at 70%, I believe it's gonna stay green. It's gonna kind of let you know when you're under 40%, and I'm guessing it's gonna let you know when it's under 10%. If I got this wrong, or you figured out exactly what it is, please hit me in the comment section down below and let me know. But either way, people, this is definitely a download. All right, you all, I'm gonna see you all at the next video. Hit the like button on the way out, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.